channel. My name is Tiffany, and today we are going to be organizing the refrigerator. The first thing that we need to do is we're going to remove all of the food and throw away anything that has been expired. We're going to give it a good deep cleaning, and then we are going to organize it. I've bought in some vegetables that we're going to wash as well, and I'm just really excited to get my refrigerator organized. I've been wanting to do this for about a couple months. I've had my bins already ordered, and with the holidays that came up, I just didn't have time. So I'm excited to get this project underway. We're gonna go ahead and go through all of the food in the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna get rid of anything that's old or has expired, or we haven't used it in a while. And here is the refrigerator before I'm gonna clean it. It is completely just, it is filthy, filthy, filthy. Look inside these drawers. Do not like this at all. We had some chocolate or something that was stuck here. I know with all these condiments that I had, like, look, you guys, it's a wreck in here right now, but that's okay. That's part of cleaning. But sometimes, you know, you get those condiments in here and they just start to leak. So let's get this all cleaned up. So these are going to be the drawers that I'm going to be using inside, and I'm going to go ahead and place them in. I'm not exactly sure where I want to put everything. We're going to do a little placement inside first to see where we want to put these. But I'm going to wash these really quickly and we'll get started. I'll put links in the description box below for these bins that I bought on Amazon. So here are the placement. I do like these here. We'll just have to see exactly what goes in these bins beforehand. I've got some fruits and vegetables I want to put in here, and we'll just kind of see how it goes. These up here, and also tried to see if they would fit inside my drawer here, which I definitely do like this right here. However, which was very strange, is when I was trying to put them in here, I don't know why they won't fit, but they fit over here, which I guess this drawer This drawer must be smaller. Anyways, it fits. It's too snug though, but for my cilantro, I like to put it a mason jar right here and then just add my cilantro into it. That way it keeps nice and fresh a little bit longer. The stems just need to be touching the water right here. You don't need it all the way full. You just need a little bit of water right there. Mmm, smells so good. Chickens, so normally we have fresh eggs and those usually stay out on the counter and I don't have to refrigerate those because they are fresh, but it is during the winter and unfortunately we're getting very little eggs every day, so I'm having to buy them, and so I have it in this little container that I got at the Dollar Tree. Well, here is the completed. I put everything back in. It is now completed. This refrigerator is really huge. I didn't realize how much stuff I had into it, but I left this blank here with nothing in it so that this space is going to be used for any of my leftovers, and I can also put some leftovers up here if I need to. I really like to cook in bulk and just have some things left over for during the week, so I'm not cooking every night. But here is the cilantro here that I did, and then I've got some condiments and some salsa over here, and then some more salsa, which I'm obsessed with salsa. I have my lemons here and my grapefruit, so I like to have grapefruits in the morning. And then in this little pull-out right here, we have some cheese and some cheese sticks and with some apples, so that is a great snack for the kids and just a healthy option as well. I have tomatoes every day, so I like to keep this right here. It's easy to get in and out. I've got my eggs here, and I like to make homemade salsa as well. And I've got my avocados. I like to store my avocados in the refrigerator, and then I pull them out as I need them, like a couple days before I need them ripe. That's just kind of what I like to do. And then in here I've got some cucumbers and zucchini. We've got some mushrooms and some onions as well, and I have those little bins in here, which worked really well. This is going to be like our cheese drawer right in here. So we've got all kinds of cheeses. I'm not really happy with the way this is, so I'm going to probably do an updated version of this at some point and get this a little more organized. And then in here We have our deli meat, some corn tortillas, some bacon, and of course some uncooked tortillas. And then I love these, so I try to eat a little keto, and these are really low and delicious. And over here we have just some other things that we just use during cooking and prepping and whatever. More salsa, of course. We have our butter up here, and then we have our milk, and half and half as well. But yeah, I'm super pleased with it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot tell you how good it feels to finally get this project done. It is amazing. I love opening up my refrigerator now, and it is beautifully clean. It's organized. I've got rid of all that stuff that's expired, things that we don't even use, and is also a reminder to tell myself, don't buy stuff that you're not gonna use, because that's just wasting money. And the last thing we need to do these days, especially with all the grocery prices going up, is buying stuff that we're not gonna use. So, note to self, tip, no more buying stuff you know you're not gonna use just because it looks good in the grocery store. Anyways, stop rambling on, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be doing a spice rack makeover. I've got some things to organize that and some great ideas, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.